Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Today we're here again with Deva Bratt. Yes, man. Remember, say one song a day for the month, man. So we're there, same way, dog. Deva Bratt with In My Life. Yes, In My Life. It's a pre-Valentine's song. So you know, it's got to be a love song. Got to be a love song. Look on the thumbnail, and the thumbnail tell you all. So it's got to be a love song. You see me? Yeah. You see the rose. Hold on. But the rose up on fire. Petals are pick off. So something wrong. All right. So I guess it's gonna be something outside the box. So let's go. Let's go.
Hey, message. Do it, yo. I never brought. I ain't shell, what you got to say. I am a woman and I won't try. I can't hide my feelings, so I got to say. Woman, I love you more each day. Woman, I love you more each day.
Some for the ladies, then. What one ladies? Oi.
Oh, girl, I'm reminiscing on your touch. I never knew singing would hurt so much. I know I'm always busy and I never have the time. There's nothing I could do to get you off my mind. Now I should be alone with you, girl. You say you're gonna leave me and it sounds so absurd. You heard I got a girlfriend round the curve. That's why you pick up your wings this morning and fly away like a bird.
Actually, factually, pull it up and drop it again. Yo, Quirky Pie, how would I come with them Quirky Pie? Talk to them.
Ladies, sometime in a relationship, problem forward. Sometimes you have to hold out. I remember said sometimes the grass is not always greener on the other side. You understand work you do you have? Hopefully it can forward better, you know? You got me strong. The ladies them. We are needing some fuck up man too. Ready?
I never knew singing would hurt so much. I know I'm always busy and I never have the time. There's nothing I could do to get you off my mind.
This to me sound like when Cole never know the use until till it gone. Deva Bratt, you have a nice girl and she gone. I saw it sound like to me. You understand? So all of the man them out there cherishing a woman. You wanna better love what you got. Cause next year now go easy. Oi!
I never knew singing would hurt so much. I know I'm always busy and I never have the time. There's nothing I could do to get you
off my mind.
Now I should be alone with you, girl. You say you're gonna leave me and it sounds so absurd. You heard I got a girl.
So you spend all the time I do other things, not knowing see a woman the right front of you. When it's time for she get up and gone, she gone now. Them time they you miss it. That's why I say Cole never know the use until it gone. You know? Yeah. She fed up.
You say you're gonna leave me and it sounds so absurd. You heard I got a girlfriend round the curve. That's why you pick up your wings this morning and fly away like a bird.
It's not just the woman around the curve she hear about, you know. She hear about other girl, you know. Remember, say her friend them a see you with other girl too, you know, Bridgie. So she hear about them something there too. But the girl round the curb, our cup full. Our cup full to the top and I run over. Can't take no more. She said she deserves better, but she knows that she love you same way too. But if you fix up, maybe she will forward back. Let's go.
That's why you pick up your wings this morning and fly
like a bird.
You said me love for California time, but believe me, my true love, I and I not tell no lie.
She say enough to call her phone no time, but she not block you. She not block you, so there's still a chance. You see, once she block you, change her number and them something there, you know, see, you're done. D-U-N, not even D-O-N-E, D-U-N, you're done.
No, I can't spend another night alone. I need you in my zone. Oh, baby, please come home. Woman, I need you in my life. Living doesn't make sense anymore if I can't have you in my life. Oh, girl. Woman.
You have some man who can't function without them woman too, you know. You have some man like, for them woman, them are them Them are them rock. Them are them backbone. Like them are like everything. Them are them full support. You see me? Big up them type of woman that will support them man. Big up on yourself. Big up the ladies that know say, yo, I honor man support. Yes.
Man, I need you in my life. Living doesn't make sense anymore if I can't have you in my life. Oh girl, remember when I met you on a summer day, when you were walking round my way, when you were walking round my way.
Remember there's a summer day the G met you know. You know, your summer dress and your little flat slippers and a walk, hair look nice. You don't know, skin is on fleek, golden touch. You know, you walk past all them gate and them forward out and see you know, say, I forget you. Love at first sight. Big up them type of relationship that will start from nothing to something now.
Hey, when you were walking round my way, I remember you were in your short shorts. You sexily take your time, walk past. That's when me heart beat fast.
Short shots, not so much just.
Knowing the girl is time, I couldn't make you pass. I had to make my stand.
Knowing the girl is, when him know say him is him couldn't make you pass him. I feel, psst, yo baby, yo, oh God, no, I live in there for 9 months, you know, until. What you say? You have a man, me not care. Remember, say 2 wings better than 1 in a year. Remember, say bird can't fly by 1. Then you know, mommy, oh, I'm still. Mommy, you know, say, oh. Alright, let's go.
I couldn't make you pass. I had to make my stand. When I stepped to you and I said hi, that's when I saw that look in your eyes. You gave me a number, although you were shy. Woman, I need you in my life. Living doesn't make sense anymore if I can't have you in my life. Oh girl, woman, I need you in my life. Living doesn't make sense anymore if I can't have you in my life. Oh girl, yeah, this is what I say. My love for you won't stray, no day.
Ladies!
Woman, I need you in my life. Living makes no sense anymore if I can't have you in my life. Oh God.
Yeah.
I regret coming home with a lipstick stain. Temptation of the flesh gave me that shame. Shoulda never let that girl kiss my lips in vain. Cause now I'm all alone and I fall in the rain. My blood pressure rise up higher than a crane. Let me climb up in a tree and I allow out your name. I reminisce from when you
Hold on, you do what? You come up in a what?
higher than a crane. Let me climb up in a tree and I allow out your name.
You climb up in a tree and allow out her name because you come home with lipstick stain on yourself. So who to be blamed? No, you, my G? You come home with lipstick stain and you find that, brother. What you think? We you gone in a tree, gone do. Come out of that tree. Nobody go up there with no rope, you know. No go up there with no rope. No greasy rope, neither that. No, I was selling pound a rope. I was selling pound a rope. You know, say, man, I got you depression. Who sell? Come take it. Hey, come take back your money. Hey, come take back your money. We don't have a receipt. Come take back your money. Who selling pound a rope? Nobody go up in on a tree. No go up in on a tree, my G. No, come down now.
Pressure rise up higher than a crane. Let me climb up in a tree and I allow out your name. I reminisce from when you left and I remember when you came. My days are not the same. Woman, I need you in my life and I can't live anymore if I can't have you in my life. Oh girl, woman, I need you in my life. Living doesn't make sense anymore if I can't have you in my life. Oh girl, oh yeah.
All right then.
Whoa, yeah.
Yeah, man. Oh, I think about that one, yeah. That one are different again. Second day in a row, we get something different from the G. Big up yourself, Crucial Conflict Boss. Big up yourself, Deva. We got the man and know say, yo, if them woman left them, because for them reason, for the man do something and the woman left, big up on yourself. If you don't know, so you not go up in on a tree, go climb a tree and use no rope and hang himself. Because life are the greatest, bro. Woman gone, and next one, she can clear what back. You see me? Big up ladies, them know say, yo, them are them man backbone, and know say, yo, them support them man through thick and thin. You see me? Yes. Big up them type of ladies that to the supportive one, them. Very attractive. I like it. Yes. Big up the man, them and know say, yo, them treat them woman right too. Yes. Them treat them woman right too. So, man, treat them woman right out there. You understand? Yes, treat them right. Spend time with them. Because like me say, can't never know the use of them till them gone. You see me? So treat the woman them good, treat the woman them nice, and they will be alright. Even though some of the woman you can't tame. You can't tame some of them. You see me? But you should know the woman where you're there with that, or you get her is the main thing. If you get her from, if you claim say you take with that man, the woman, and have her as your personal woman, just know say the next man will do the same thing to you. Because she not no loyalty. So big up the ladies, we have loyalty too. Yes, ladies, big up yourself. Love or no. Yes. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one though. I'll catch you guys down there. Peace.
Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.